So hey you guys, long time no see, welcome back to the channel. And for today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing some gouache paint that I recently got. And honestly, this has been a medium of paint that I've been wanting to try out for so long. There's just something about being able to change from watercolor to acrylic. There's just something about that seems so fun. So I finally got it and I'm so excited to try it out. I'm so excited to unbox this with you guys, and I'm so excited to show you guys my very amazing paintings that I make with this paint. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and let's get started. Let's get started. Alright, so to start off, the paints I ordered came in a pink plastic container that is secured with like this snap and go system kind of. The brand I ordered was Jaime, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Jaime.
But for now I'm just going to say Jaime, so bear with me on that. The box also comes with this white tray, which is super convenient for mixing paints or just adding water to paints. Now before even getting gouache, I read somewhere online that soft brushes were the best type of brushes for using gouache, and I did not have soft brushes anywhere in my arsenal, so I was super thankful when I found out that this set came with brushes. It was a great addition to the set. Now to open up what we all came here for. Now for the paints, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a little difficult to open these up because when I tell you it was sealed tight, I mean it was sealed tight. But anyways, inside each container, it brought kind of like this oily stuff. I'm not sure what it was. At first I thought it was like a mistake, but I think it's maybe just something that the paint naturally brings something. I'm not too sure about that. But anyways, as for the brushes, it came with 3 brushes, all different shapes and sizes. It came with this long pointy one, this kind of square shaped one, and this circle-y one. I'm sorry, my description for these are so bad. But the point is that I got some brushes and, enjoy this little montage of me opening up the paints. Now finally, to test out the gouache paint, I decided to draw a person because that just seemed like a good way to test out all the things this paint can potentially give to a drawing and what techniques to use. Now obviously my people person drawing skills are not at a good level yet, so bear with me on this one. Alright guys, so this is how my drawing came out. Obviously it's not the best. Obviously it's looking a little, a little out of sorts in some places, but I tried my best and this is what came out. And I mean, it's art. There's really no wrong in art, and that's what I love about it. And well, honestly, I'm not sure if I could critique this, this form of art. Yeah, honestly, it's just a way of doing art. There's no right or wrong. It's so fun to play around with, the different ways of using it and such. So I absolutely love using gouache paint. It was so fun, and I definitely am going to continue working on my gouache skills to see where I get with that, because obviously this isn't the best. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and well, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye.